Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain you about my journey to Bali. Okay, a journey to Bali, embracing culture and serenity. Traveling to Bali had long been a dream of mine, full by image of lush rice terrace, vibrant temples, and stunning beaches. As my plane descended, I marveled at the island verdant landscape, a patchwork of green and blues that promised adventure and tranquility. Upon arrival, the warm tropical air greeted me like an old friend, instantly washing away the stress of everyday life. I felt a sense of excitement and anticipation for the experience that lay ahead. My first stop was Ubud, the culture heart of Bali. The moment I stepped into the town, I was captivated by its vibrant art scan and traditional Balinese architecture. I wandered through bustling markets filled with handcrafted goods, each style brimming with unique souvenir and intricate textile. The friendly vendors greeted me with warm smiles, making me feel at home. I indulged in local delicacies like nasi goreng and satay, each bite a celebration of flavor that reflected the island's rich culinary heritage. Uh, One of highlights of my trip was visiting the Tegalalang rice terrace. As I stood on the edge of the terrace, I was in awe of the breathtaking views. The layer of emerald green stretched endlessly and the sight was mesmerizing. I took a moment to appreciate the harmony between nature and the traditional farming practice that had been passed down through generations. It was a reminder of the importance of sustainability and living synchron with the environment. In the evening, I attend traditional Balinese dance performance which brought the island history and mythology to life. The intricate costume and mesmerizing movement captivated my sense. The stories told through dance were rich and profound, offering a glimpse into the spiritual world of the Balinese people. I found myself completely absorbed in the performance, feeling a deep connection to the culture and its tradition. A visit to the iconic Uluwatu Temple was another unforgettable experience. Perched on a cliff overlooking the Indian Ocean, the temple radiated an aura of serenity and spirituality. As the sun began to set, the sky transformed into a canvas of orange and purples, casting a magical glow over the landscape. I watched the traditional kecak dance, the rhythmic can of the performance echoing against the backdrop of crashing waves, creating an atmosphere that was both powerful and calming. My days were also filled with relaxation on Bali's stunning beach. I spent hours longing on the soft sand of Seminyak, sipping fresh coconut water and listening to gentle lapping of the waves. With each sunset was a work of art, painting the sky in brilliant hues that took my breath away. This moment of stillness allowed me to reflect on the beauty and life and the importance of taking time for oneself. Exploring the island also led me to the sacred monkey forest in Ubud. Walking through the lush greenery and encountered playful macaques swinging from the trees. While they added a sense of wildness to the serene environment, I was reminded to respect the balance of nature. The forest was a sanctuary not only for the monkeys, but also for ancient temples that exuded a sense of mystery and spirituality. As my trip came to an end, I felt a deep sense of gratitude for the experience I had in Bali. The island had offered me a blend of adventure, culture, and peace that I would carry with me long after returning home. Each moment spent in this tropical paradise has enriched my soul, reminding me of the beauty that exists in embracing new experience and uh, connecting with different cultures. Bali had not just been a destination, it had become a part of my journey. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.